Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change investor profile on Robinhood. First, go to your Robinhood app and log into your account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Tap Personal Information, scroll to the bottom and select Investor Profile. Here, you can view and update your details like your employment status, income, investment, experience, and financial goals. Make any changes needed, then save your updates. And that's it. That's how to change investor profile on Robinhood. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.